What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. And if you guys can't tell, I'm excited about this update because we are bringing yet another awesome platform to the space here at BOJ. That's right. We're talking about futures trade, futures trade, futures trade. Without going any further, I want to make sure that everybody understands that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm growing my crypto in these many different platforms, nothing more, nothing less. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, including new platforms like this one, dropping all the time, go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and let's talk about this passive income earning with futures trading. All right, futures trade. Now you can earn 1 to 3% daily. All right. Now we've seen a lot of plans in the past. We've seen a lot of plans, different sustainable plans, whether they were low or high. Platforms are here and gone and all that different stuff. But I'm going to go over why I'm so excited about futures trade. Okay, 1 to 3% daily. Okay, futures trading asset management company that uses advanced trading technology tools to trade in the crypto market. All right, they're saying 190% returns on your investments. Here's what they got, and here's what they promise: fast payouts. Okay, honest and transparent CEO. And I think that's the biggest thing for me so far, based on what I've seen, and we'll touch on that. Experienced trader, that goes along with being an honest and transparent CEO and knowing who the CEO is. Live trading reports, and it's a registered company. I believe it's registered in the UK. What is FuturesTrade.io? Now, FuturesTrade.io is a futures trading asset management company that uses advanced trading techniques, tools, to trade in the crypto market to generate up to 190% profits for our investors in just a month, y'all. That's crazy. Who is Dylan Carnell? That's the CEO. This guy right here. See him overlooking this body of water with Christmas lights going up and down the pole there. Cool picture, man. But it says, and this is him talking. He said, I'm a cryptocurrency and stock trader and investor in different markets for the last 5 years. And after successfully building my portfolio from just $2,000 to $2 million in last year, I thought it was time for me to pay it back forward and help others take advantage of the booming crypto market. And that's why I have come up with a project that is going to change lives. And we are not here to make any false promises. Futures Trade is a well-built platform that provides long-term passive income for the masses. All right, and I kind of read between the lines with a few of that. I know it doesn't say exactly that, but that's pretty much what it says. And here's the thing I like about this. I found out about this opportunity from a person that I watched, Crypto Muscle, right? Y'all know I love Crypto Muscle, and a lot of things he gets into, I get into too. And then we've had a lot of success. So when I saw that Crypto Muscle actually did a live interview with this person, okay, now that does not happen in a lot of the platforms that we are in. Okay, we barely even see the CEO, let alone get a live interview Zoom call with him. I think the only person that didn't show his face was Crypto Muscle, because he never shows his face. All right, but Dylan Carnell did. And I thought that was really awesome. That really drew me in. And some of the things that he was saying really were awesome to hear, especially from an experienced trader, a person that has taken his portfolio from 2,000 to 2 million. Who doesn't want to do that, right? And success leaves clues. So we follow the people that are leaving clues for success. And we're going to link arms with Dylan Carnell here at BOJ. All right, let's talk about this referral commission program. Now, I know a lot of you aren't link sharers, all right? To each their own, whatever, that's on you. But y'all know that I never talk about an opportunity that I'm not willing to share or speak my piece on, as well as put my own skin in the game in, right? So let's talk about the referral commission platform program for those of you that are interested. Now, up to 20%, that's crazy. But here's what I like about this. In the beginner section, this section right here, all right, a lot of hypes that we usually see or get involved with, They are 3 levels, and they're pretty similar to this. However, that first level is at 6%. And what makes this beginner level 10% is that added 4th level. You're getting an added 4th level on the entry basis. You don't even have to have a team turnover yet to have level 4 capabilities on the very first section of this platform, on the very first part of the referral commission part. As we know, the higher team turnover you get, the more lucrative the referral commission platform or program becomes. But starting out, it's very lucrative. 6% on the first level, 2% on the second, 1% on the third, and added 4th level for a whole nother 1%, guys. If you are not a link sharer, team builder, then it might be time to reconsider. One, I've always talked about how being willing to put your own skin in the game and talk about it always, well, not always, but for the most part, especially in my experience here at BOJ, it has allowed you to get your principal back faster because you're getting referral commissions. And people will say, oh, well, you're taking advantage of the system and this, that, and the third. You just want people's referral commissions. Here's how I think about it. If the platform is going to allow me to do it and allow me to share and incentivize it, they must obviously want it. So I'm not focused on what the masses want. I'm focused on what is best for BOJ, and hopefully you guys are focused on what's best for you as well. So let's go over this quickly, the next few levels. At $5,000 of team turnover, that means under you, there's $5,000 generated in deposits, right? Not that you've deposited, but that your team has deposited in total. You're gonna have 5 paying levels, okay? And then on level 1, it's going to be 7%. Level 2 is 2%. Level 3 is 1%. Level 4 is 1%. And that added level 5 is 1%. All right, let's talk about the VIP leader section. Okay, still 5 levels, but your percentages are increasing, y'all. Level 1, 9%. Level 2 is 3%. Level 3 is 1%. Level 4 is 1%. And level 5 is 1%. Now, you must have a team turnover of 25 grand for that. All right, that puts you at VIP leader. But those VIP leaders out there know that that is very attainable. All right. And the elite leaders, those people out there that are killing the space, whether they're in the YouTube space or any social media space, promoting this out on their families, friends, you know, wherever they're walking, going, presenting, you know, this is the elite level where you're going to get that 20% capability. You're getting 10% on the first level, 4 on the second, 2 on the third, 2 on the fourth, 1 on the 5th, 1 on the 6th with this added. And that happens as soon as you hit a team turnover of $100,000 of team turnover. All right, that is attainable. Don't make this big number make you feel like you can't hit it. All right. I'll try to be an example. Hey, all right. It all starts with you, though. You got to take action. And I talk about this all the time on the channel. When I see a platform that I like, you have to take massive action. If you don't like it, just decide to say, hey, it's not for me. But if you do like it, don't wait around on the bench and wait for it to work for somebody else before you see it work for you. All right. Now, if you want to do that, that's fine. But like the CEO said, you know what I'm saying? If you want to just sit around and wait, then you'll just miss out on weeks of earnings that you could have had. And I don't want anybody to miss out, but I don't tell anybody what to do. I just show you guys what I'm doing. Take action to earn 1% to 3% daily income. All right. This is some trade results that he has. You guys can look at that. You can pause it if you know how to interpret what this means. All right. Now they talk about the packages here. Trading package number 1. Okay. 1% daily. You're getting your investment back. So your principal back after 20 business days. Business days are Monday to Friday. Okay. No trading on the weekends. Monday through Friday, okay? So 4 weeks of business days, okay? You're gonna get your payout in less than an hour, which is damn near instant. Minimum investment is $50 for a total ROI of $120, all right? Trading package number 2, here's option 2. You can come in at $1,000, okay? 2% daily. Do you get your full investment return? Yes, but it'll be after 5 weeks, which is 25 business days. Payout time up to 40 minutes, even faster. All right, 150% total ROI. And then, of course, trading package number 3, which gets you the full capabilities of that 190% total ROI that we talked about earlier. Minimum investment, just $3,000, all right? Payout time, less than 10 minutes. That's damn near instant, okay? Business cycle, investment cycle is 30 business days, Monday through Friday, which is 6 weeks, and you get your full investment back. But you're also going to be getting your daily returns, guys. So I don't want you to be too messed up about that. You're still getting your daily returns, but they will give you your full investment at the end of the cycle. Payment methods, they accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, and Perfect Money, all right, for all those perfect moneyers out there. Crypto market bull run, just a little bit about it. This is the time to stack up Bitcoin with Futures Trade IO before it gets to 100K, all right? This is just a graph to kind of show some growth. It doesn't really have any significance on either side. Maybe it's, you know, I can't tell what the numbers are, and that is right there. This is just a growth to show growth. This is the company address here, email address for support. You guys can go ahead and check that out. All right. I also have a few other files that the CEO actually sent to me. And here's another one of the great things. They have a Telegram group, and we'll get to that because I want to share the website with you shortly. But I'm able to talk directly to the CEO. He is on Telegram. If you go to the Telegram group, he is very active in the Telegram group. So I suggest that everybody check out that Telegram group, and I'll share it with you guys as we get through this video. So stay tuned, keep on watching. We're not just done just talking about futures trade with that. We want to get these questions answered. So I was sent a PDF that talks about your most important questions answered. All right. I don't know how long this is, but we're going to look at it together. Okay. It says, what makes future trades different from traditional platforms? Okay. This is his answer. I've been in cryptocurrency, a stock trader and investor for different markets for the last 5 years after successfully building a portfolio from 2,000 to 2 million. Thought it was time for me to pay it back. We talked about this already. We talked about how it's a well-built platform. So he decided to learn futures trading and to start. It wasn't easy, as most people think it is. He had a lot of losses at first. But in 2018, he saw a lot of buzz around futures trading. He read many books about how to trade with futures, and he was very new at that time in 2018. And he also thought that the market was not an ideal to have success. But he invested money, his time, and effort to teach himself. All right. I like this guy already. Futures trading. And in this year, he came up with projects called Future Trade, which is the projects we're talking about right now. Okay. So let's see if we can find some of the questions that we really want to get answers. So what makes different from other platforms? Difference between us, futures trade, between future trade and other traditional platforms is the transparency and active involvement of the owner and not giving any false hopes to our investors and being honest with them about the project. All right. You'll be able to see that in a second. It says, why do you say futures trade is not a hype? All right. Let's answer this question. This platform is not a hype because I wouldn't be showing myself out there if we were. All right. As you notice, a lot of hypes don't show their owners. Okay. They really don't. After all, a hype can go down at any time when there's an issue. And most hype owners use fake profiles and hide behind a computer, which in this is not the case. All right. In our platform, I'm here with you 24/7. So if anything goes wrong, he will be accountable. Okay. He can do the same, come up with fake profile if he wanted to, and people would still invest. You sure about that? As we know here at BOJ, we're all sure about that. I do it. I mean, we know the risk and we still invest knowing that there may not even be a real CEO behind the company. The beauty about this platform is that it actually has an actual person behind the company. All right. Will it be sustainable? This project's whole idea is to provide 20% to 90% profits in 20 to 30 business days with our 3 trading packages. As you know, we're in a crypto bull run. We are making so much money with crypto that provides these returns will be a piece of cake as long as the long term for us in the long term with our trading strategies. Anyone familiar with crypto should know that you can almost double your money every day if you are good at futures trading. All right. Let's see. Why should people trust futures trade over other opportunities? This is an opinion thing, but let's see what they say. I don't know about trust because I think people abuse this word in a lot of the crypto space. And you're not going to find anyone who you can trust 100% of the time. Just do your research. If you like what you see, then invest and do what's best with you. All right. I love that. I mean, companies with real CEOs, legal teams, and real offices also scam people. It would be better for people to educate themselves and make the right decision. I 100% agree. All right. Do what's best for you. You make the decision. but I like how this is being promoted and talked about. It's being very transparent and honest. And it runs right along with the things that I say all the time. All right. It says, if you can make a profit from trading, why would you offer an opportunity? Why not make all the profits for yourself? That's a good question. And he said, yeah, we could do that, but it's better to pay it forward and help other people make money and grow as a company and build a community, because even if you have $10 million and you are not fulfilled, then what's the point of all the money? I so agree. And helping people and serving the community makes him happy, which helps us grow in the long run as a company. He's an entrepreneur and investor. And at the end of the day, he loves running companies and managing things around. So when he sees an idea, many online marketers sell online courses now. You can't say to them that they should not sell their knowledge and only use it for themselves, because that doesn't make any sense. I 100% agree. All right. Most platforms that hire high returns usually don't last that long. How long do you think you can sustain the program and the high returns? It says, yes, we know they do not last because most of them can do that as they don't have an actual owner behind the company. There's no accountability. All right. So when the times get tough, instead of fixing the problem, they just shut it down and go away. If we are showing everything and being transparent, that means we are accountable. We have responsibility on our shoulders. We can't just run away and not try to fix the problems of the company. And that's great, because even I have run into some problems already with just kind of interface stuff, and he fixed it within 5-10 minutes. Very responsive, very accountable, and I'm loving it so far. Is it possible to lower the plans again when the crypto bull run is over? He says, if it comes to that, we will figure out a way to go to a solution that can benefit our clients. And definitely, if we can no longer take the pressure of managing the investment, then the best we could do is just refund all the investors and just be honest with them about what is going on. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see. Do you have a team of traders or people working with you? And he says, not currently, because they are a small company and they don't really need a team as of right now. But in the future, as they grow, they are going to be looking to hire more traders who are trained to trade futures to make more profits for more investors in our company. And I say this right now, there's going to be growth. All right. So I hope he's ready. There's going to be growth. If BOJ has anything to say about it, there will be growth. All right. Last thing I want to really get into is I want to go to the website. Okay. I want to go to the website. I want to talk about a little bit of the back office stuff that we've talked about. This is a simple back office, but I want to start at the home page. Okay. I want to start at the home page of the company. This is futuretrade.io. They already have a YouTube channel and they have videos up already. They talk about their daily trading packages. They have a calculator here. They have some videos where they explain the referral commission plan, how to sign up and how to withdraw. So very great on that. But I just wanted to show you guys the platform itself. This is what the homepage looks like. I suggest everyone check it out. It's been around 13 running days. It has 25 people on right now and already has over $100,000 deposited with 242 clients, y'all. That is moving off to a great start. This guy's Dylan C. He even has a LinkedIn page. If you want to get in contact with him, you can do that. I also suggest that everyone scroll to the bottom of the page, the bottom left, okay, and click on the Facebook and the Telegram links here. Get involved, get in the Telegram group, ask questions, okay? Don't be afraid to ask questions. Here's their roadmap. They have the platform trading, the investment trading platform just launched on the 14th of November. They have a DeFi token that's hopefully launching in January of 2022. They have a crypto wallet version that's coming out in February. They have an NFT that's supposed to be dropping next April and some other things ahead. All right. I wanted to see what is the minimum withdrawal and see if they could answer that question. How much is the minimum investment? How much is the minimum withdrawal? Does it tell us? Will it come up here? The minimum withdrawal is $50. Okay, so you have to have at least $50 to withdraw. Of course, it says how long does it take to withdraw your funds? You can receive your withdrawal within 2 hours after requesting. All right. So you do get your daily income from your deposit You don't have to completely wait, but that's how that's rolling. All right. So I did actually make a investment. It hasn't gone through yet. Let me see. I'm gonna check my wallet real quick to see how many confirmations that it has so far. And I'll even update and refresh the page. Right now it's still pending. I did just put it in at 11:26. It is now 11:49. So depending on, how the blockchain is dealing with transactions and different stuff like that. So far, let's see, I have two confirmations, okay, one confirmation. So it probably needs 3 to 6 confirmations to go all the way through, and that's fine. I'm very patient when it comes down to that. But what my skin in the game was that you'll see in the future, it was $1,000 of Bitcoin. I wanted that 2%. All right, I wanted to get in and get that 2%. I don't tell anybody else what to do, but here's what people are doing. All right, Papa Don's $1,000, Bitcoin Collector $1,000, Power Couple 01 500, Allenson total deposit 3,500. All right, in Bitcoin, they're getting that 3% plus the 1% on their 500. You're getting 3% starting at $3,000, guys. So I think that's amazing. That's an amazing way to start. To go ahead and make your deposit, you want to go to Invest Now. So when you click on Invest Now, you want to make sure that you click on which package that you want. If you don't click on which package you want, when you try to type it in, it won't work. All right. So when you click on it, say if you want to do that 2% daily, it slaps you at $1,000 to start. You want to click which one you want to put in, whether it's Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Litecoin. And then after you do that, it's going to give you and take you to the next page where it will ask you to confirm. It'll give you an address to send it to. It'll tell you how much Bitcoin or whatever coin to put in. It'll give you the QR code. Actually, when I put this QR code in my Exodus wallet, it inputted all of this stuff in for me. But I wanted to make sure I was getting that 2% daily for 25 days. All right. And that is Monday through Friday. All right. So that's 25 days, Monday through Friday, not including the weekends. But if you do that math, 2 times 5 days a week, that's 10% a week. All right, 10% a week. Y'all hear me say that? 10% a week. Okay, so better than the bank. Can't really beat that with a stick. I'm still waiting on my transaction to come through, but like I said, there's only one confirmation as of when I checked before. I'm going to go ahead and leave my link for this in the description below. Like I leave all my links for all the different platforms that I'm involved in, but I'm really excited about this one. For those of you that are still with me, right? For those of you that are still with me, I want to go ahead and show you where I found this at, all right? I want to show you where I found this at. Those of you that are still with me, hopefully you are still with me. If you're not, thank y'all for watching. The beauty about YouTube is I can make my videos as long as I want to. Ain't that crazy? All right, so where I found this platform, of course, I was talking about Crypto Muscle, and this is a shameless Crypto Muscle plug, right? Shameless plug for Crypto Muscle. All right, everybody, excuse that. Shameless plug for Crypto Muscle. I'm going to go to his page, and this is called the Crypto Muscle Network. So if you're not following the Crypto Muscle Network, please go ahead and do that. And when you go ahead and follow his page, this is the video that you're going to see. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys. And he doesn't usually do this as far as I've been able to tell, but he did a whole interview with Dylan, the CEO, all right? And this is the interview right here. It's an hour-long. It's futures trade interview with the CEO/trader, passive income platform with transparency and more. Guys, I have seen this person show his face. You see this right here? This is the person. This is Dylan, all right? He gets on and he talks about his process. He talks about what he wants the company to do. He goes through the back office. He talks about so many different things that are key. So don't miss out on this interview. Go and check it out. It is on Crypto Muscle Network. Y'all see that at the bottom here. Look up Crypto Muscle. All right, check him out. Also, my links are in the description below. So check that out as well. This is my introduction to futurestrade.io. All right. And I'm going to be continuing to talk about futures trade. Again, my link is in the description below. I only talk about platforms that I put my own skin in the game in, and I put $1,000 of my own skin in this game. I love the transparency of the CEO. This is an opportunity to have a platform that trades at a high level, but still has the accountability of a platform that trades and works like a hype with daily interest and different stuff like that, but has the accountability of maybe a hedge fund or a business with a actual CEO. All right. And shout out to Futures Trade, because we're going to continue to learn while we earn. All right. I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure you put your 2FA on all the platforms that allow you. This is one of them, so please do it. And all your wallets. Because crypto is the wild, wild west. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It is not very fun. I'll see y'all in the next one. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button, all right? If you want to stay updated on everything that BLJ has going on, including new awesome platforms like this one right here, you want to go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. I will see y'all on the next one. Toodaloo. Peace out, y'all.